In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Google Form link. Google Forms are an excellent tool for surveys, RSVPs, and a myriad of other data collection needs. But sometimes you want that link to your form to look a bit more personalized and professional, right? Well, you're in luck because today I'll walk you through the process of customizing your Google Form link, making it not only memorable, but also more trustworthy for your respondents. First off, let's navigate to Google Forms. You'll need to sign in to your Google account to access your forms. Just click on Sign In, enter your email address, hit Next, then enter your password, and finally click on Sign In, again to access your dashboard. Once you're signed in and looking at your Google Forms dashboard, find the form you want to customize. If you've just created a new form, you're already in the right place. Otherwise, just open the form you'd like to work with. Next, you're going to send this form to yourself in a way. Look for and click on the Send button at the top right corner of your screen. This action opens up several options for sending your form, but what we're interested in is the link. So go ahead and click on the chain icon to bring up the shareable link of your form. Here's where the magic begins. Click on Copy Link to grab the URL of your form. This URL is what we're going to customize. Now open a new tab in your browser and go to formmerl.com. This website will be our tool for customizing the link. Once the site loads, you'll see an option to start for free. Click on it to proceed without any need for registration up front. Once you're in, you'll find a field to paste your copied URL from Google Forms. Paste it here. Directly below, you'll see an option to type in your desired custom URL. This could be anything that represents your form or campaign better, making it easier for your audience to recognize and trust the link. After you've typed in your custom URL, hit Customize. The site will then work its magic, and voila! You now have a personalized, more professional looking link for your Google form. The final step is just to click on Copy next to your new custom URL to save it to your clipboard. You can now use this link in your emails, social media, or anywhere you'd like to share your form. It's that simple. A quick tip before we wrap up: always test your new URL before sending it out to ensure it redirects correctly to your form. It's always better to catch any issues beforehand. There you have it, a straightforward guide on how to customize your Google Form link in just a few minutes. This simple tweak not only enhances the appearance of your link, but also significantly boosts the credibility and branding of your forms. So go ahead, give it a try and see how much of a difference it makes. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one. See you in the next video.